Hey gang, what's up? Today is... what's today? Lord, I'm telling you, I'm so sorry about these videos lately. I start talking and I just forget what in the hell I'm trying to say. Today, we're going to open 2 boxes, blaster boxes, of 2019 Panini Contenders draft picks. Each box has 2 autographs, which make these obviously the most appealing of blasters, but keep in mind that the autographs that you get out of these are usually low tier. They're not usually stuff like, I don't think that like cracked ice is even possible here. I opened a good number of these last year and was extremely disappointed. A lot of the autographs were players who weren't even like, turned out they weren't even going to be in the league. They went undrafted, and I don't know, maybe some of them played in the CFL. I don't know, but it was not good, and I don't have high hopes for these 2 either. But as usual, I want to break them for the channel, and because I like to open cards, even though sometimes I'm a fool. All right, let's do it. I almost wish Panini would do it like 1 autograph, but it could be a decent autograph. That, to me, would be way cooler, because people will buy blaster boxes that don't have any hits in them. So why not just, if you're going to do that, just put 1... I mean, and it doesn't always have to be like, you know, the best player, you know, best rookie in the league or whatever, but make it 1 player who actually made it into the draft, or, you know, something. I don't know. Well, now I've talked this down, so I'll probably pull something incredible. Let's see. Actually, I highly doubt it, but let's see what we get here. Chubb, Geis, Connections, Earl Campbell and Ricky Williams, McCaffrey, Manning, and Emmitt Smith. Sam Darnold, Joe Mixon, Kamara, Will Greer, draft class, Tim Tebow, Josh Adams, Le'Veon, Wentz, Newton and Bo, Mullins, Sean Watson, and Saquon. Odell, Drew Brees, Kerryon Johnson, Ryan Finley, game day ticket, Joe Namath, and Amari Cooper. These always come back to back. They did in the in the hobby boxes as well. There's probably others that come back to back, but I haven't noticed them. I guess I noticed those because they were Alabama players. Brandon Cooks, Trubisky. There's a Jordan Howard draft ticket blue foil parallel. That is retail exclusive. Marcus Allen, Christian Kirk, Mahomes. There's like red foil and blue foil. I can't remember what the red comes in. Maybe there's, I don't know. There's got to be a different type. I don't think there's hanger, but maybe rack packs. Excuse me. Derrick Henry, Russell Wilson, Jerry Rice, Ryan Connolly for Wisconsin. That is you can see the blue, well, you may not can see it, but anyways, it's blue foil surrounding all the outlines there. Earl Campbell, Terry Bradshaw. What'd you guys think of the draft yesterday? I wasn't surprised at the first couple of picks. There might have been a few surprises later on. AP, Fournette, Darnell Savage Jr. And this is not a parallel version. This is the regular base autograph. So that's cool. One parallel, one paragraph. I've been writing today. Callaway, Breida, and Marino. One of my jobs is to write articles for a financial website, which takes a lot of time to do a really good job of that, and it's one of the reasons I've been so busy. I used to be a writer full-time, and then I took on a different job in the financial sector and got away from writing, and then recently my skills have been in demand, so, which, you know, is good, but it's very, very time consuming. So we didn't even check these out. Blaster exclusive red and blue, so there's that answer to that question. Numbered parallels, including the iconic cracked ice. So I was wrong, and I was wrong. So you can get cracked ice, and red can be in here too. So glad I figured that out after opening my big stupid mouth. And there's that, if anybody wants to see it. Okay, let's see who we get this time. Well, I mean, if cracked ice is in here, then this is a better bargain than, you know. Granted, it's probably an extremely tough pull, but just knowing that it's in there makes me feel a little bit better. Lamar Jackson, Calvin Ridley, Ito Smith, Dak Prescott, and Philip Lindsay. Troy Aikman, Travis Kelce, J.J.R. Siegel Whiteside draft class. Zeke, Tom Brady, Josh Rosen. Bo Jackson, Michael Irvin, DeAndre Hopkins, Legacy, Billy Cannon, and Leonard Fournette. There's Baker Mayfield and Matt Ryan. Staubach, James Conner, Irv Smith Jr. game day ticket, Stephon Diggs, Jordan Howard, and Anthony Miller. Aaron Rodgers, Khalil Mack, Ray Lewis, Devin Singletary, game day ticket, Mark Andrews, Cortland Sutton. Herschel Walker, Traquan Smith, Chauncey Gardner-Johnson for Florida Gators. That is a base auto. Phillip Rivers, Eric Dickerson, Todd Gurley II. Last pack. Julio, Ben Roethlisberger, Michael Gallup, Chase Hansen for Utah. That again is a base auto. Josh Allen and Austin Eckler. Alright, that's it. I forgot that I had ordered these blasters, and I'm not making this set, so I put up on eBay, the link is below, a huge lot of these cards. I don't know if I can go back and edit it, but I'm going to try to. I'm going to try to add all of these. It's a lot that has every card except for the autographs in it. So it was like over 200 cards. I'm going to try to go back and edit and add these in too. So if you're making this set or interested in that lot, it is on auction, and I started it at 99 cents. So whatever it sells for is what it sells for. As you know, the hobby boxes are extremely expensive, so if you are someone who's making this set, then you might want to check that out, because, you know, it probably won't go for very much, and it could help you make your set without having to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So there's that, my little sales pitch of the day. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. I love that there's a card community on YouTube, and that I discovered it. When I found that, I was like, who knew? So anyways, I'm bad about rambling at the end of my videos. I'm going to shut up, and thanks again for being here. Hope everybody's having a great Friday, and hope you all have a wonderful weekend. I'll get some more stuff up for you tomorrow. All right, bye.